Go, go, go. Into the caravan, into the caravan. Did you hit me, mate, or not? I didn't feel it. The gun hits can't? Or do you mean on my vest? Hey? So I'll take the hit, mate. Fucking only problem with carrying mags, isn't it? It bounced off the outside of my mag, so I didn't feel it at all. Watch yourself, there's a guy on the corner. Oh yeah. On your horse again. You ready?
Straight to the building.
Not talking dead, are you, Ian? Go on, Gaz. Go, 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 go.
That's not going to face.
Peach.
That door's locked. Is it locked for a reason?
There's only one way through.
Yeah, there's one came through.
Not going upstairs, he said.
Did he say we're not allowed upstairs?
He said they won't come from upstairs. There's
All
no
right.
point going up there.
Alright, mate, we're not playing upstairs, sorry.
We didn't say we can't.
No,
It's Gaz.
they won't call me because there's no point in going up there.
Sorry, mate. In his forehead.
Yeah, what, are you going through the bottom?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Got him, Bo. Hey, come on.
Yeah, I'm coming, I'm behind you. I'm just checking rooms as we go.
Nice shoot, boys.
Stay behind the door, stay behind the door. They are.
Cover. Can we get someone on that back door?
Yeah. Tim,
Tim's not anymore.
they can't go around. You watch that window.
Yeah, we need to get one of these.
Sorry. I just shot one coming round that way.
Yeah, he was here. Can we get that from the door?
Andy, he's on the corner. On the corner, mate. To the left, yeah, that's it. I'll keep fucking an eye on the door. Up to the corner, Andy, go on. Yeah, you covered the building downstairs. No, we're not in there, mate. Where did it land?
Wrong about that. I don't know. Don't fucking mind. Probably like the door.
Yeah. Yeah. No. All we've got to do is defend. Don't attack, just stay back. Yes, Luigi, we are all the way down at the bottom of the corridor, mate, if you're coming in from the back door. Kill!
One kill.
One kill, mate, dead man walking.
Yeah. Although it might be ricochet, I'll take it from there, mate.
Stay there, do not move from there, guys, yeah? There's our guy halfway down. See that guy there? That's ours. Get to his back. Get to his back. Where are you guys? You got cover on the field, on the yard? We've got the building on your right covered. Just go, just defend, yeah? Ian. We'll go around the outside. Hello, Luigi, can you receive? Right, we've got Gary and Andrew in the corridor facing the bottom door. There's a guy outside the door. Jay's going round, Ian's going round. We'll cover the outside first. I'll radio you when you're clear to come down, yeah? Gaz, I'm here. Go on, move forwards. Move forwards. Luigi, me and Gaz are downstairs. We're moving forwards to the end corridor, right at the end. Do not shoot inside the left-hand door at the bottom of the stairs, mate. He's on the stairs, yeah? Did you hear that? Go on, go on. No? Got in there, Gaz?
Yellow's under.
That's under. Yellow. Right.
Sorry, mate.
It's clear. Watch out that window. Go to that window, Gaz. Go on. Get that window. Watch the end of the building and the top of the stairs. Get another one on this cut. There's a door here. There's a window.
Flew straight in that door.
Yeah.
Upstairs, straight down the corridor.
We need to cover this corner of the building. As long as we cover that corner of the building, they can't get the car. As long as there's someone at the end of the corridor covering the back wall, we're fine.
Okay. We've got two in the caravan covering the car.
Ours?
Yeah.
Both on you, me and you.
Walk down this corridor.
First one hit him, and he shot me, and he didn't take his, so I took mine and he took his. Top end?
Top end where I was. Oh, fucking nailed me then. Right there, look.
Yeah. Luigi, you receiving? Ian, end of this, all the way down the end of the bank, there's a guy behind the fence.
No, I've just done that. He's the one who got me. I'm pretty sure I got him, but... Right, say that again.
Didn't hear that, Ian. Luigi, repeat last message, over. I couldn't tell you, mate. I was going to say there's one down there, but I was dead. Gaz is still in there, isn't he? Gaz, you still in there, mate? They've got the building. They're coming in behind you, mate. Okay, that's me and Gaz in the bottom of the building. Watch that door, Gaz. I'll watch the outside door. I'll get the window. Shout me, yeah? Weapon jam. Weapon jam.
I was on half the stairs and Nathan popped out the door and hit him quite badly. The thing between. Can't see down there.
There we go. There's some out there.
I want to put this way, there's in the back.
Todd. Todd grenade. Gas. Todd grenade.
Again? Shit, he's through that doorway.
It's in that fence. I ain't got the firepower to suppress him.
Watch out, he doesn't want to run your way and go into that one.
Go on, go on.
1, 2, 3, go.
Yes!
There's another one, there's another one, there's another one. There's another one moving the fence.
Yeah, go on, go on, go on. No kill! Oi, dickhead! You see me hand?
Oh, dude.
Dead man! Dead man. Hey, go down the corridor.
Yeah.
Oh, fuck it, I'm not allowed to talk, I'm dead. Hey? Is it? Is it that bad? What about Andy's? Ask him to swap it. What's it doing? Just dropping too far.
No, it's fucking, his gun's powerful, the fucking blows, he just shot me a few times.
Is this not reaching far enough?
No, it's fine, no.
Just stings like fuck.
There's a stinging. Fucking hell, I got him though, he got me, but I got him.
I'll come with you. I've been protecting the building.
I know, he's going to do the car, I've been protecting in the cave, I'm protecting the car, but no one's been there protecting me. So I've been getting protected from behind.
Someone want to go and back him up? Yeah? Back him up, yeah?
Yeah. Where are they? Not in the car, though. No.
It's behind the brown tarpaulin at the other end.
No, you just got to keep him quiet. Is there a way of getting there? He needs to get through the building.
Hey, Johnny,
Message your mate.
go down this way. Go round. Jay.
Well, wait here, 'cause we're going to be losing numbers there.
Yeah. Adrian, when you come back,
Yeah.
through that gate, through there, down the side of the building, yeah?
Yeah.
He's on the left hand side of that broad tarpaulin. You still got the building, Gaz? Repeat, you still got the building?
You want to come back here? I'll go
Our guys are in the windows, mate, behind you.
In.
Yeah,
He's in, right.
he's in.
Steve, Ricky, watch
On the back seat, man.
Yeah,
Are you allowed on the back seat? Just the driver's seat.
back seat, he can't get shot.
That's what I thought. So just stay covered, man. Stay covered in the car, yeah?
He's got the idea. We've got all our angles covered, yeah?
I've got he's the guy in the car is watching the brown tarpaulin. You watch that tarp, yeah? Straight ahead. You watch that. I've got the corner covered. We've got 2 people in the building on your right. Jay, you watch that gate with what's his Rick in there. Ricky. Ian, get to the front of that Fiat. Watch the brown tarpaulin, mate.
Steve, tell him to keep an eye out around the other side.
Who is it? Tim. Tim, get on the bank and watch down the side of the building, mate. Jay. Mate, they're on the back of the building behind you.
Should I go? Ricky, where are you?
Can you get one of you to come up to the back door? Go on, Jay. Don't matter, stay where you are. Sorry, mate, I was watching this back gate. It's alright, don't worry about it. Don't worry about us, you stay there. Are you alive in the car still? Ricky, when you come back, come in via that gate, show me. Just so you know, mate, you said it before the BBs hit me, that's why I didn't take it. Was that alright? Was that alright, mate? I didn't get you in the head, did I? Cheers, mate.
Still people there?
Just get nervous, innit?
The guy in the car, as the red come up to him, shot him in the leg with the barrel that far.
Ooh! Well done. Watch that side of the caravan. It's alright. It's all part of the fun. Ian, just get down in front of it, mate. Just watch that. Yeah, you watch that. Get behind that box if you can, or in it.
I don't need to, Dave.
Alright, mate. Do you want to get in the caravan? Do you want me to cover it and you get in the caravan?
We need to watch. There's someone around there.
We've got Tim there, look. Tim's there, yeah? Tim's there. Ian's on the front of the truck.
I'm waiting to be hit by them. There's someone around there. Don't stay there. Watch that fire.
Ian, Luigi, sorry. Have you still got that corridor covered on the inside? Okay, mate, okay. 2 seconds, I'll just send someone down. Tim! Watch that corridor. Andy, or whoever that is. Who's that round there? That's it, mate. 2 of our guys down there, but they got shot by each other, just saying. Yeah? No, that's the bad guys. In where? We have got a guy in the car. Hand in the air, mate, means stop shooting, yeah? And just so you know, it is on camera. Everything. Hey! Nipple. Yeah, you can go through that way. Yeah. Through the gate. They're behind the caravan. Go on, get up to the door. Where are they?
Doorway.
Top doorway.
Top, I don't know. Top or bottom, I don't know.
Go through that hole there. See if you can see him a bit better.
Oh, there he is.
Go in the cage. Go in that cage.
They took that building off us.
The
Fucking. We was the last two in there and they killed us both.
that Ryan came out. I can't fucking see shit.
Stephen, not you.
No, go on, have a look.
It's in that doorway. It's in the bottom doorway. Bottom doorway.
Yeah. Someone put covering fire down on the door. You ready?
You're gonna run out, David. I'll put some fire
Oh,
down.
oh.
Is it upstairs or downstairs?
Downstairs.
Downstairs, okay.
Downstairs.
Oh, you cock. Oh.
It's Adrian down there. What's that? Was that you? Shooting the wall!
Move your hand.
That's not making me deaf one bit.
Sorry, mate.
They're alright.
What's up?
Yeah, get a marshal in there, because I don't know if I've got some ricochets or not. So I want someone in there so you don't claim I'm cheating.
Oh no, you're not, dude.
Mate, we'll know if we hit you.
You'll hear it. You'll feel it.
Ready.
One.
Hang on.
Oh, wait.
Go on it.
Ah, fucking hell, it.
Upstairs.
Fucking hell. Upstairs. Come on, lads. Fucking hell.
Go on. Watch the top. You watch the top. I'll get the bottom, yeah? Yeah. Adrian's gone round. Hey! Is it a what? Yeah.
This shit's about to fucking get rid. This might put a new one in. Do you want on top, one on the bottom?
Yeah. Guy on the top's on the left. Guy on the bottom's on the right.
Tell me when I can move.
Oh! That went whizzing past my ear! Go on. Run. Sprint.
Do you want to go past me and give me cover?
Hang on. Gaz! Oh, is he dead? It's just upstairs! And X!